Hey guys, what's up? If you want aesthetic blockbuster effect, just follow me. Okay, the first thing you need to do is go to video effects option and open color curves. Now you can select the cool color options. Believe me guys, this is best. Now I can manage this effect on my video and then save it. After this, go to glow effect. This aesthetic blockbuster. Now I will decrease it strength. This really looks good. Okay, the next I am going to film effect and I increase this effect completely. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates and more videos.